Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to fix the armrest for the Audi A6 C6 because mine just broke and I figured how to fix it. I couldn't find any videos on YouTube or the internet, so I'm gonna show you how to fix it. I'm gonna take it out. Just watch. Alright, what you need for this is a pry tool, something like this. It has to be flat, or something like this. It can be metal, plastic, or whatever you have. Okay, here. What you have to do first is lift it up, and with your pry tool just squeeze your pry tool between the leather and the plastic of it. Gently push it out like that. Be careful not to break it, otherwise you're gonna have to buy a new one. Okay, here's how you fix it. See? I don't know if you can see it here. Okay, here. Yeah. Gently pry it out. And then just make sure you pry it all out so you don't break it. And then just take it out like that. Just be careful not to break it though. Okay, I don't want to break mine either. There we go. Just gently. Oh, come on. Shit. Okay. Make it easier for myself. Here, what you're gonna have here is this. If you want to replace it. I just glued mine, so here you can see it. I'm gonna put it back. If you want to replace yours, replace it. I'm gonna stick mine back in. I just glued this part. It was broken. Now when you want to put it back in, just stick it in like this. It'll go in like that. Go to this part. If you can see, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, here. It's pretty dark in here, so there are two holes here and here. Just put it back in and then push this part back in, and that's how you fix your armrest. Thank you for your attention.